Make we dey count our blessing, make we constantly appreciate the Almighty God for the grace wey Him dey give to us every day by day. The grace to dey see, to dey talk, to dey walk, to eat, to do everything normal human being fit do. No be say e be by power or e be by might. Na God talk say make Him be and Him be. Make we appreciate the Almighty God and the grace wey He don give to us. So may we for be another partaker of another beautiful weekend in good health and in sound mind. Plenty people dey inside hospital. Some of them no even fit use their leg waka, but na grace, na the privilege wey we dey enjoy and we go still dey enjoy every day by day. Of course, this one na TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the weekend edition. I don carry am come your domot again, and today na the 24th day of August 2024. As una don sabi, na for here we go dey give you plenty informative matters wey don shele from Monday go reach Friday, even till this very Saturday morning. Na you una go dey enjoy back to back. Plenty informative dey, plenty informative. Iboku, if you don ready, me sef I don ready. But hope say you never forget my name. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. May we do this one again. TinTinNi Tori of matter wey share in the course of the week. The very first informate na in the talk say custom don uncover 2,280 wraps of cannabis concealed inside sawdust. This na the full tori. The Oyo Osun Area Command of the Nigerian Customs Service, wey Dr. Ben Ora Malugo bin lead, don seize 2,280 wraps of cannabis sativa wey im weight be 1,824 kg. The substance, according to the command, na im dey concealed inside over 200 sacks of sawdust as dem dey transport am for one 6-tire DAF truck along the Ilero axis inside Oyo State. Another informate wey dey for here, na im talk say technical glitch bin hit NIS online passport service. Nigerian Immigration Service for Friday bin confirm technical issues with im online payment platform wey dey for passport application. The agency con apologize for the downtime, still con assure the public say e dey work to take restore seamless service as soon as possible. Now on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, na for them na still tanda. Another informative wey dey for here na in the talk say Nigeria don appoint Justice Kekere-Ekun as Nigeria's second female CJN. Nigeria don appoint Justice Kekere-Ekun as im 23rd Chief Justice of the Federation, wey mark a significant milestone as the country welcome a second female Chief Justice in history. Another TinTinNi Tori wey dey for here na im carry us land us inside 2027 election. APC bin kick as PDP backs call for Jonathan's return. The opposition, People's Democratic Party, don throw im weight behind the call of former President Goodluck Jonathan to join the presidential race for 2027. Our country investment for education remain poor. My administration bin transform education for Anambra State. Now who talk this one? Na Peter Obi. The 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi don shook mouth inside the recent West African Senior School Certificate Examination WASC result, where im talk say Nigeria no dey invest well for education and other areas of development. The last informate wey dey for here na inside the exciting world of sport. Na this one carry us enter. City don join the chase for Lookman. Manchester City don join the race for Super Eagles and Atlanta forward Ademola Lookman on top report say the Nigerian don prioritize one move to another club this summer. The former Everton player's future bin take a quick turn after French giant Paris Saint-Germain make inquiries about im availability for Sunday. Alright, now with that sport story, I go dey say my bye-bye, still can't draw the curtain on top this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. I believe say you don't enjoy this one and you don't dey informed. You don't pick one or two. Alright, you now still fit follow us on top of all our social media platforms on top IG, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. with the handle at babafuture_on air. Until next weekend, with me I go to bring you another edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. My name never change. My name now Ogunyemi Akimbusayo. Bye bye.